Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. We're continuing our discussion about 13 benefits of Hurricane Ian. And we're moving into number 10 today. So we only have a few more. How about that? 4 more here. So this is number 10 today. And it's entitled Opportunities to Serve. There has always been opportunities to serve within the church and other ministries and charities, but this gave kind of a renewed umption to get that's not the right word, but movement, a volunteer movement, you might say. After this storm, and people were looking for ways they could help each other, especially because you might have gone through that storm and nothing happened to you, but you saw the potential of what could have happened to you. And that's what happened to many people. They saw the potential of what could have happened to them. They were so grateful, and they were like, we got to do something to help the people that didn't fare as well as we did. So for example, for myself, soon after that storm happened, I have been friends with Kurt Hensey with Calvary Relief for many years, and he had come down to Florida because that's what he does. Is Calvary Relief helps homes, churches, and so forth, and homeowners with when a natural disaster happens. He comes and sets up camp, lives in his RV, and helps people, and has teams come in from all over the country to help. And we've been involved with that ministry. Man, it was many years. I took my young boys to Iowa to help when the river flooded many years ago with that ministry. But so what I did whenever I got a chance, and it was mostly weekends, Saturdays and stuff, I would help out as much as I could. With him, and then we had many volunteers help out at that time too, because they wanted to help out. They were grateful for that they were spared from the storm, and they wanted to help out. And so we were able to, for example, one lady, she didn't have flood insurance on the house, and it flooded, so we were able to take the drywall out and cabinets out and stuff like that. So the house is now safe, okay? And there's many other homes that Calvary Relief has been a part of doing that. And even the church where they're stationed at, Calvary Chapel, Venice, had some damage, and Kurt was able to help out there. And we were able to dry out some areas that had gotten wet with that. But people were looking for ways to help out after that storm happened, and it wasn't just with helping to rebuild homes and stuff like that, but it was oftentimes it was when we had the trucks over here delivering water and ice and stuff like that. It was volunteers doing it. Some of it was National Guard, but a lot of it was volunteer run. Even when you did sandbags and stuff like that, it was volunteers doing that. And people were looking for ways they could help out with others. So that was a benefit that came out of Hurricane Ian, was people looked for ways they could help each other out. And sometimes it was just as simple as helping a neighbor cut down a tree, okay? Or, helping a neighbor get food and stuff like that. So there are several ways that you can still help out. There's going to be damage that's being restored. It'll probably be a year or two. I would imagine that some of this stuff will take to be fixed up. And so you can help out with Calvary Relief. They're stationed right down in Venice. Mennonite Disaster Service is helping out, and they're here. Samaritan's Purse is stationed here. So there's many ministries here that are helping out, and all you need to do is usually call your local church and find out, hey, what's a way I can help out? And you can call me too, text me, whatever, and find out how you can help people with this continuing storm. But the big thing was one benefit of the storm. It gave a renewed energy into helping people, opportunities to serve. Okay. So, hey, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue looking at benefits of Hurricane Ian. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.